Did you know that inefficient processes cost businesses up to 30% of their revenue each year? Organizations face ongoing challenges with outdated workflows, bottlenecks, and redundant tasks. Without process improvement, they risk wasting resources, reducing productivity, and losing their competitive edge. For professionals, managing these inefficiencies can feel like a losing battle. A lack of expertise in process optimization can lead to missed opportunities, delayed projects, and career stagnation. This certification training equips you with the tools to become a process improvement specialist. From identifying inefficiencies to implementing innovative solutions, this course provides a step-by-step approach to optimizing workflows. In one case, businesses led by certified process improvement professionals saw a 40% reduction in operational costs within a year. Organizations benefit from streamlined processes, enhanced productivity, and improved profitability. By eliminating waste and optimizing workflows, they can focus on growth and innovation. For individuals, this certification elevates your skills, making you a valuable asset in any organization. You'll learn how to drive impactful changes, boost team performance, and advance your career as a sought-after expert in process improvement. Efficiency is the key to success. Master the skills to transform operations and lead with confidence. Register now to become a certified process improvement specialist.